As we start our sort of journey on learning how to program, it's a natural question to ask is what could be or what should be the mental models for learning, right? I mean, how do we think about learning how to program in general, and let's say Python in particular? What would constitute the mental models for learning? And I think this question becomes very important, especially in an AI-driven world, where AI can certainly do part of the work. It can certainly generate part of the code, but the question is not sort of code generation. The question is, how do we construct mental models for learning programming languages, let's say in general, and Python in particular. So we believe there are three key elements to the learning process. One is computational thinking, the ability to solve problems computationally. The second piece that is really important is learning the features and the syntax of a programming language. In particular, in this case, we're dealing with Python. And the third element, which can be very useful, is having a sense of the visualization of the code. In particular, visualization tools like, for example, Python Tutor can be very, very useful as we're going through the learning process. So in a sense, computational thinking, features and syntax, and the third is visualization, what's going on behind the scenes. And tools like Python Tutor can be very useful in that regard.